Hello, beautiful people. It is your girl, Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing, and I am here to present the line dance, Smooth B Song. The song is This Song. The artist is Danny Boy, and the choreography is Bernard Smith. If you are someone you know is interested in starting a line dancing class in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. Also, if you're interested in the step-by-step instructions, I'll pin it at the end of this video. Also, guys, it's getting close to the NOLA Southern Experience. Registration will open June 1st in a few days, 2023. Please visit our website for detailed information about the hotel, registration, and event is July the 11th through the 14th, 2024, the NOLA Southern Experience. The website is www.LMIUNOLA.com, and I'll see you in New Orleans. Let's go. Is that smooth or what? That is Smooth B Song. Make sure you check out the instructional Also, check out the NOLA Southern Experience. I would like to see you and your crew there at instructors. NOLA Southern Experience, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration opens in a few days, June 1st, 2023. Book your room. Go over to our website at www.LMIUNOL.com, and I'll see you there. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. As always, I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.